I went to Noodle and Company last week. I'd never been there before. Had a nice little dish. It was a curried noodle, broccoli, shrimp kind of dish. So I'm going to attempt to make it here on the campfire, having no idea what I'm doing. So watch me mess this up. Alright, so this noodle dish here, I'm probably getting it all wrong, but I don't know. I'm not going to worry about it too much because I'm just going to do it in my style here. The broccoli that was in it was just the tips of the florets, really. No real stems or anything. Alright, so we're just going to finish kind of chopping these down. They were fairly small pieces in the deal. I'm probably going to have more broccoli than they had, I imagine. Well, we got our water going here. Don't mind those little particulates in there. Actually, some of them are little broccoli things. Other stuff is ashes and junk from the campfire, so it's just part of camp cooking, extra seasoning. Okay, I believe my water is boiling. I got a little water in this pot here so that the heat of cooking all that spaghetti noodles and stuff can, fettuccine noodles actually. I think half will be plenty. Half will be plenty for me. So let's see how this shindig goes. By golly, it could be exciting. Now the cool thing is you can cook about anything on the fire that you can cook at home. There's my double boiler. So we'll let her roll here. This should be exciting. I don't have a recipe. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. This could be absolutely mind-blowing. Well, let's check this out. Ouch. Oh, hot. Should have known it was hot. Cooking. Well, that broccoli's about al dente, coming along really nice. We got not much more time coming for the noodles to be done, and not knowing what I'm supposed to do, I've got a little bit of some water and oil cooking in that pan there. And I'm not positive, but I think you're always supposed to use a lot of butter. So we'll dump that in there. So let that melt down, then I'll kind of start dumping all this stuff into there, and then the shrimp. Oh, there's my iPhone alarm. The noodles are done. Stop. How do I stop it? There we go. All right. All right. So now this stuff is going to get drained a little bit. Let's get the lid off of that. Butter's melting down nicely. And I didn't bring my other bin with me for camping. Whoops. For camping this week that has the has my drainer in it. So we just do it like this. I think that'll be fine. Alright, now I'll get the noodles out of here into there. Alright, I didn't have a lot of options at the little store here in this little town, so I just got what I could for shrimp. I'll just have to do, that's all. There's way more than I need. This is some pure insanity here. like I gotta stoke up the fire under there just a little bit. Okay, stuff's coming along. Shrimp's about done. I'm supposed to add some cilantro. I kind of chopped it up a little. I don't know if that's the right amount or not. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Then it's supposed to get some lime juice. I don't know if that's enough. Well, I got 2 more pieces. I like lime, so if a little is good, a lot's better, right? It's the old saying. I got a couple more limes if I eat this and I say, oh, that's not right. Okay. I have so much food here, this is stupid. Now I'm supposed to add curry. Now this is the scary part, because I have I've never even used curry before. I mean, cooked with it, I've eaten it. I have no idea how much you're supposed to add. Is that enough? I don't know. This is insanity. Oh my gosh. What have I gotten myself into here? I think I'd about pull the shrimp back off because they're done. I don't want to cook them anymore. Okay, and then let me take all this and kind of toss it a little bit. With a spatula, no less. Got some other spoons somewhere, but I just haven't. I got started on this. This project is just going. It's like I don't even have time to stop and check. What in the world am I doing? I know those are tail on. I'd rather not have that, but when you're in a little town of about 1,000 people or so, maybe more, I don't know how many live there, and they have one little grocery store, you basically take whatever they've got. Well, even the town I live in doesn't have much. Alright, so we get all that in there and we'll stir it all up here. It's looking more and more like it. Now the shrimps I had at the Noodle and Company, they were big jumbo shrimps, really nice. I'm pretty sure that's going to taste okay. We'll give it a shot in just a moment here. This is campfire cooking, I'm telling you what. That's how it works. Alright, so I believe we are good to go right here. I'm going to dish this thing up and eat the heck out of it. Alright. Let's see if this tastes anything whatsoever like what I had at Noodle and Company. It probably doesn't. The tail-on shrimp aren't quite as nice because you got to handle them separate. Yeah, it actually tastes pretty good. I could put a little more curry in it. Sprinkle a little more curry on it in this one section. That's pretty nice. Actually, sprinkling the curry on it made the lemon or the lime stand out a little. Obviously, I'm not going to be eating all this. But I'll tell you what, I have had worse camp meals than this. So, it actually tastes good. So, this Perry Peacock, just sitting around the campfire eating, cooking. You know, you can have a pretty decent meal at the campfire if you want to. I don't even know what I'm doing, and this is good. I'm learning. Next time I do this, it'll taste even better.